Hello students, I am Mamta Sood, Professor in Electrical and Electronics Department, Oriental Institute of Science and Technology. Today I will be covering the topic binary adders. What are adders? Adders are used for addition of numbers. Binary adders are used to add two binary bits numbers. Binary adders can be divided into two types. One is half adder, another is full adder. Half adder is used to add two binary bits. Half adder has two inputs A and B. It has two outputs sum and carry. Half adders come under combinational circuits. This is the truth table for a half adder. There are two inputs A and B and there are two outputs sum and carry. Since A and B are 2-bit, therefore there are four combinations of A and B. It can either be equal to 0, 0 or 0, 1, 1, 0 or 1, 1. Half adder performs the operation A plus B. So, when A and B both are equal to 0, 0, the sum S is equal to 0 and the carry is also 0. When AB is equal to 0, 1, sum is 1 and carry is 0. When AB is equal to 1, 0, the sum is again 1 and the carry is 0. When A and B both are equal to 1, 1, we get 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. That means the sum bit is 0 and the carry is 1. Now we draw the K-map for the sum term and the carry term and we get the logical expressions for the sum and the carry. The sum term is equal to A bar B plus AB bar and the carry term is equal to A dot B. This is a logic diagram for a half adder. The sum term is given by A bar B plus AB bar. So we need two inverters for generating the complements of A and B. We need two AND gates for the product terms and one OR gate for the sum term. We need a AND gate for the carry term. Instead of using logic gates, we can also use an XOR gate. That is, instead of using a basic gates, we can use an XOR gate for the sum term and an AND gate for the carry term. This is how a 2-bit binary addition takes place. Suppose we want to add two numbers A1, A0 and B1, B0. First we perform the addition of two binary bits A0, B0. We get the sum bit as S0 and the carry as C0. In the next step, we will add A1, B1 and C0, but the half adder cannot perform the addition of 3 bits. So that is the biggest disadvantage of a half adder, and now we switch over to a full adder for the addition of A1, B1 and C0. Next is the full adder. Full adder is used to add 3 binary bits A, B and Cin. We get two outputs sum S and carry C0. This is the truth table for a full adder. The inputs are A, B and Cin and the outputs are S and C0. 0 plus 0 plus 0, the sum will be 0 and the carry will also be 0. 1 plus 0 plus 1, we get 10, that is the sum bit is 0 and the carry is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, we will get 11, that is the sum is 1 and the carry is also 1. Now we draw the K-map for the sum term. So the K-map for the sum term gives us the logical expression for the sum term, which is equal to A bar B bar Cin plus A bar B Cin bar plus AB Cin plus A B bar Cin bar. This is equal to Cin XOR with A XOR with B after simplification. Now this represents the K-map for the carry term. C is equal to AB plus ACin plus BCin. Logical diagram for full adder. Since S is the XOR of A, B and Cin, it can be implemented by 3-input XOR gate, and since C is equal to AB plus ACin plus BCin, therefore we need 3 AND gates and a 3-input OR gate to implement this carry term for full adder. Now full adder using two half adders. A full adder can also be implemented by using two half adders. Suppose we want to add 3 binary bits A, B and Cin. First we will use one half adder 1 which will add 2 binary bits A and B. It will give the sum term as S1 and a carry term as C1. Now we will take second half adder which will perform addition of the sum term of the first half adder and Cin, which is the third binary bit we want to add. So half adder 2 will add S1 and Cin and we will get the final sum term and an OR gate will be used to add the carries of half adder 1 and half adder 2 to generate the final carry. So this is all about binary adders. So in the next class we will cover half subtractors. Thank you, students.